Hello guys, in this video I'm going to go through how to simplify expressions by combining like terms. So remember, like terms or terms with the same variables to the same powers. When we combine terms, we look for any like terms in the given algebraic expression and combine them into one term by combining like terms. We can't simplify an expression. That just means that we have to rewrite the whole expression in a simpler and easier way to understand and work with. Now, so let's jump into number 1, where we have 7a plus 3b plus 5a minus 2b plus 4a. So what we're going to do is we are going to start by sort of organizing these. So we're going to find all of the like terms and we're going to sort these from the left to the right. So we have 7a, 5a, and 4a. So the first thing I like to do is I like to give them their own little sign or their own little group. So the terms with the a variable, I'm going to put a little line under them like this. 7a, 5a, and 4a. And with the other variable, we're going to do a little circle around it like this. So now we can start sorting these. So we're going to do 7a in front plus 5a plus 4a. So now we're done with all the variables of a, and now we're going to go to b. So we're going to do plus 3b minus 2b. So now we can start adding them or subtracting them. So we're going to start by adding all of the like terms with the variable a, like this. So 7a plus 5a plus 4a. So 7 plus 5 will equal 12, plus 4 will equal 16a. 16a. And now we got this one, 3b minus 2b. 3b minus 2b will, um, will equal 1b or just b. And this is going to give us our new simpler expression of 16a plus b. So that basically was the first example. And now we can go over to the second example. So let's go over to our second example. So for our second example, we have minus 6x plus 4y plus 9x minus y minus 3x plus 2. So again, we're going to do the exact same steps, starting with giving them all a sort of group. So we're going to start with the x. So we're going to draw a little line under them. So we have minus 6x, 9x, and 3x. So now we're going to go over to the y's. We're going to do a little circle all around these. So 4y and y. So what we're going to do now, as you can see here, we also have just a normal 2. We're just going to draw a little arrow up this. So what we're going to do now is, again, we're going to sort these. So we're going to start with our lines. So we have minus 6x plus 9x, 9x plus, minus 3x. So we're going to do now the y's. So now we have plus 4y and then minus y. For the last one, we have just a 2, and we can write this like this. What we're going to do now is we're going to add and subtract these three. So we have minus 6x plus 9x minus 3x. This will equal just 0, because minus 6 plus 9 will equal 3x, and then minus 3x will equal 0x. So we have 0x, and then we're going to go over to 4y minus y. So 4y minus y is just 4 minus 1, so this will equal 3y. And then we can just add the 2 after. So our final expression will be, let's put these two a bit more closer, so we have 0x plus 3y plus 2. So this will be our final expression. And of course, because this is 0x, this basically doesn't have any value, so you can just leave this out and get this as your even more simpler final expression. So now let's go over to our third example. This one is a bit more complicated. So for this one, we have 5x squared minus 3x plus 7 plus 2x squared plus x minus 10. So again, we're going to group these first. So let's do the numbers with the exponents first. We have 5x squared and 2x squared. So now let's go over to our x's. We have 3x and x. And for the last one, we have 7 and 10, and we're going to do a little arrow of these, like this. And now we can start sorting them. So we're going to do first 5x squared, and then this one plus 2x squared. Now we're going to go over to our circles, which is minus 3x and plus x. And then for our last two is plus 7 and plus 10. And now we can start adding and subtracting these. So we're going to start with 5x squared and 2x squared. So we're going to add these two, and this will give us 7x squared. Now we're going to go over to our minus 3x plus x. This will give us a minus 2x. Minus 2x. And now, of course, for our last one, we have 7 plus 10. Oh, I mean 7 minus 10. I made a little mistake here, guys. My bad. Right here, this should be a minus. So we have 7 minus 10, and this will give us minus 3. So this will be our final simplified expression. 7x squared minus 2 minus 3. So now let's go over to our last example. And again, just like yesterday, guys, I am a bit sick. So the video might turn out to be a bit different, and I might sound a bit different, but hang with me, guys. I I really can't change how I'm feeling right now. So, but still, I'm making a video for you guys so you guys can understand this better. So, let's go over to our fourth example. For our fourth example, we have minus 8a plus 6ab plus 3a minus 2ab plus 5. So, with this one, we have 2 which have the variables a and b. This doesn't change anything, just combine like usual. So we're gonna group them. So we have minus 8a and plus 3a. And these are the first two. And now we're gonna go to the ab's. So we have 6ab and minus 2ab. And then for the last one, we have our 5. So now we can sort these. So we're gonna do minus 8a and then plus 3a. And then we're going to do plus 6ab, and then minus 2ab. And of course, for the last one, we're going to do plus 5. So now we can just start adding or subtracting them. So we have minus 8a plus 3a. This will equal minus 5a. And now we're going to go over to our a and b's. So we have 6ab minus 2ab. So 6ab minus 2ab will equal 4ab. So 4ab. And now, of course, for the last one, we just have a 5. And we're going to do plus 5. And this will be our final expression. Minus 5a plus 4ab plus 5. And this will be our end of the video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys understand how to combine like terms now in algebraic expressions. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments if you have any. And as always, this was Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.